All right, we're back here at the Pocket Door Workshop. Today, let's talk about what happens when you pick a bargain box door frame over a heavy duty pocket door frame kit and why you wouldn't want to do that. So maybe you get a cheap frame and you think, wow, that was easy in my pocket this time, but it's going to cost you in the long run because you're going to end up with maybe a frame that has twisted or warped studs in here. It's rubbing the door. You can't put anything on it. It's not heavy duty. The wall's flimsy. It's rubbing and scratching your door. The tracking hardware won't hold a heavy door, and then you basically end up ripping it out, and then you say, hey, I got to have something that's going to be heavy duty. What am I going to do? And then you look it up and you find heavy duty pocket door frames. We got you covered. Our frames are going to be strong. The tubular steel posts are not going to warp and twist. They're not going to bow in and rub on your door. They'll stand the test of time. We use only the best tracking hardware so that your doors are going to run smooth on these frames. They've got soft close, soft open capabilities. Inside the pocket, we've got room inside here on a 2x6 wall to put electrical outlets, switches. The difference is night and day on what we can provide. We use a T floor guide. You can check it out over here that goes in the groove in the bottom of the door. So your door always stays engaged at the bottom down there. And you don't have to worry about that thing being flimsy and bouncing back and forth inside the pocket. When it comes to a custom frame, that's kind of what we specialize in. We can make these to fit any application, to fit your needs. So you're not going with a skinny frame that's going to rub your door and trying to pad it out inside a wall. We're going to make our frames to fit your wall application, fit your door size, and really fit your lifestyle. So check us out, HDPOCKETDOORS.com. Follow along to see more clips like this if you like it. Thanks.